We see text on screen that reads, Honours air source heat pump story and the Scottish Power logo. We see text on screen that reads what motivated you to start your green energy journey.
We've really got to start somewhere.
We see Honour, a Scottish Power customer.
We've got to start small, and we just wanted to start to look at how can we do our bit, our tiny wee bit for the planet.
We see text on screen that reads why and air source heat pump.
From the research I've done, I think they're the most eco-friendly.
We see text on screen that reads how do you find it for your heating and hot water.
What's fab? It's different. It's definitely different because you never get cold. Your house doesn't get cold, and it's just a constant background heat. Because the water is at a lower temperature. You know how you would normally fill your sink and then fill it with cold water? You don't have to do that with an air source heat pump because it's the correct temperature, which is really good. So you're saving water as well.
How easy is it to use compared to a boiler or thermostat?
It is so simple. You know, when the guys set it all up and do the commissioning of it, they then set it, and then you can decide, let's say you let it go for a couple of weeks, and well, it's not really warm enough for me. You can then just up your temperature.
We see text on screen that reads, how do you measure your energy savings?
When we get up in the morning, we always have a quick check. Then you can tell what happened during the night. You know, was it really cold during the night? Because you've got this air source heat pump, you don't notice because it clicks in, it does its job to keep you warm.
We see text on screen that reads, why did you choose Scottish Power?
They were the most knowledgeable. That's the honest truth. The guy who came out really knew his stuff.
How has the aftercare service been from Scottish Power?
Fine. 2 or 3 days later, we noticed a drop in the water pressure upstairs. They'd said to us, keep your eye on your water pressure upstairs for the first few weeks. And we did, so we called them and they came out a couple of days later, and again it was this flux thing, changed the filter. So yeah, we didn't have any problem.
How do you think your heat pump will change how you live in the future?
We got an air source heat pump tumble dryer, which we didn't even know existed. And it's amazing when you look at your smart meter and compare what it costs that to run compared to the old tumble dryer. It's again a no-brainer.
We see text on screen that reads, what has surprised you since you had it installed?
What surprised us is the heat, the constant heat. They designed where the radiator should be and what the size should be and, you know, all that stuff. So I think for us we're just not cold, and that's wonderful.
What would you recommend to someone thinking about an air source heat pump?
Call them and just have a chat. Maybe you just want to find out, okay, what will it do? What can it do? I recommend call them, give them a call, give Scottish Power a call.
We see the Scottish Power logo and text that reads find out more at scottishpower.co.uk/air-source-heat-pumps.